Today, I'll show you how to incorporate 1of10.com into your daily keyword research routine. Start by signing in to your 1of10 account. If you don't have one, sign up at the link in the description of this video. Start by setting aside dedicated time each day to explore new keywords and video ideas using the tool. Begin by entering a broad keyword as usual or topic into the search bar, such as digital marketing or fitness tips. Next, adjust the filter settings to refine your search based on the factors such as the multiplier, publication date, and channel size. Take note of the videos that resonate with your target audience and align with your content strategy. Also, experiment with different keywords and categories to uncover a diverse range of video ideas. By incorporating 1of10.com into your daily keyword research routine, you'll be able to stay ahead of the curve and constantly create engaging content for your audience. So, a final tip. Please pay attention to the daily keyword research. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.